Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your September read. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you in September, Taurus. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of September. Thank you. All right, Taurus, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Taurus, let's see what's happening in your life. Okay, Taurus. Taurus, I have the Knight of Wands as your overall energy. So some fast forward movement will be happening in September, it seems. Your passion will probably get ignited once again to take some kind of action. You'll probably have a lot of clarity. But right now, I think things could be a little stagnant. There is a bit of stagnancy going on currently. This is your current energy. I haven't moved to September yet. In August, you're probably thinking of starting something new maybe. But right now, I don't see too much movement. But that's going to pick up now in September from what I feel. So before I do your reading, I'm going to take a Ganesha Oracle card for you. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for the month of September. For Taurus. Lord Ganesha, for Taurus, please. Lord Ganesha is giving you the card of embrace. I don't know what this means for your reading because I do see, I don't know, Taurus, I think it's time to, I don't know, just kind of put your guard down a little bit. I see you a little agitated. I see you having some conflicts going on with maybe people around you. I think it's time to just be a little more into your softer side. I mean, see what I'm seeing, okay? I see you as a bit defensive. I see that other people are seeing you that, you are in the middle of conflict maybe. There is a King of Swords and a Queen of Swords. So maybe a little bit of compassion and a bit of understanding will probably get you faster results. So it's time to embrace the softer side of you maybe and find resolution. You are looking for justice, right? So that'll probably get you more of a quicker result than being too stern. I'm going to take an angel blessing card as well. Let's see what my angels want to say. What do you have? Oops. Learning experience flipped out even before I started shuffling, Taurus. So whatever you're going through, I think it's also time to embrace yourself. Okay, I think you're going through some kind of a hard lesson in your life, or you've been going through some hard lesson in your life, and don't be too hard on yourself, Taurus, if possible. Take it as it was something that you had to learn from, and instead of being now defensive or angry or upset, try and embrace the lighter side of life. Let's see what's happening. So Spirit, Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles, you seem to be waiting. You seem to be waiting for something, or trying to maybe turn your back on something in the past. Maybe somebody did not keep up to their promises or ended up being a heartbreaker or a promise breaker. And you could be right now feeling quite sad. This is your current energy, feeling a bit sad, a bit depressed, maybe feeling rejected, bored with life. Maybe trying to see what else is out there, but not really taking any action from what I feel. I have a feeling things haven't really moved the way you would have wanted them to till now, maybe in whatever circumstance this is. Maybe you were dealing with somebody who was a bit, not very authentic or not very kind, or not very honest with you. This could be in a partnership, could be in work, could be in a relationship, marriage, anything. In the past, I think you started to see things from a higher perspective, and you realize that there's something amiss here. There is something amiss here, and maybe you started to get your guard up before things could really backfire on you. What's this, Spirit? 7 of Wands. See a little bit of holding back. Yes, a little bit of holding back after feeling in lack. Somebody kept you in lack, or maybe there was a financial loss here, or I think once you saw things from a higher perspective, you decided to hold back a little bit so that things would not really. You made a choice. You made some kind of a decision here. I don't think you've really made any move. There's a bit of stagnancy at the moment, but you are trying to turn your back or trying to see what else is out there where you can maybe, I don't know. This seems a little bit of a difficult reading. At least till now, we haven't yet reached September yet. Okay, don't worry about it. So in September, I see things are going to be quite clear. Maybe some clear conversations, What's this King of Swords, Spirit? Yes, it's action time in September, that's for sure. After a period of not moving at all, after a period where you probably felt blocked, you felt you couldn't accept anything fresh, new, I don't know. What's coming up in September, Spirit? Oh. There's going to be a shake-up. There's going to be a big shake-up, Taurus. There is going to be a sudden change coming into your world in September. Maybe somebody, in your past, was not very honest with you, and you're going to be realizing that they made a fool out of you. It's almost like that. So just be a little wary. Yes, somebody could be lying to you or has lied to you already. But in September, I see you picking up the pieces after this storm hits, and it's going to actually clear the air. It's going to clear the air. I see you taking quick action and then going towards life with a more balanced approach. I think this was a lesson, Taurus, that you learned or are learning presently about not shortchanging yourself. Yes, here you are. You're going to be more in control. You're going to take your power back. I have the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords. So I don't know whether you're a masculine Taurus watching or a feminine here, but the message is the same, that now nobody will be able to take advantage of you. If somebody has been lying to you in the past, if somebody has cheated you in the past, there's a huge transformation coming. The Tower and the Death card. This is like out with the old, in with the new. And this time, nobody gets the better of me. What else can Taurus expect? You're walking away from anything or anyone who was not authentic. And yes, you're not going to be fighting for anything of the past which did not serve you. Anyone who juggled you, who made you angry. So give me something. Okay, so now that's what I was looking for. Spirit is saying all new options, many new options are going to be presented to you now. Whatever this shake-up is, after that, the world is going to open up for you. Basically, you'll be spoiled for choice. Okay, once you've learnt your lesson, you've picked up that sword of yours, you have kind of balanced your own life out. From what I feel, Taurus, things are going to be presented to you which you're not even aware that are there. So what is Taurus still holding on to, Spirit, presently? I think, Taurus, you're holding on to a false sense of security. Yes, something that really doesn't make you very happy, but you're still holding on to it and still trying to put work into something which is already over. It's a 6 of, it has bad memories attached to it now, but you still continue to put work in Because of, could be financial reasons, could be stability. It's like going every day to a job that you really don't like, but it pays your bills, right? The boss may have been mean to you in the past, or you may have had fight with the co-workers, but you put your head down and every day go back to work even though you're not happy. You're holding on very tight to a sense of security in a place which is really not making you very happy. So, what's this Justice card, Spirit? You may have a boss. You may have a boss who is very controlling. Maybe there's conflict where you are, but it's a secure place. And Spirit is saying this is a false sense of justice. It's a false sense of this is not justice. This is something you have to let go of. If you feel this is the right thing to do, just to maintain the safety and security, even though you are controlled maybe, or you're not happy, or there is somebody around you who's a dictator and is always creating conflict in your life, Taurus, I think it's time to let that go. So what can become Taurus's biggest blockage, Spirit, in September? Queen of Swords. Why is the Queen of Swords going to become a blockage? I think using your head over heart can become a blockage, Taurus. Sometimes we try to do the right thing, the practical thing, you want to lock your heart away, your feelings away, and think, all right, so even though I'm not very happy, even though I have regrets and sorrow, and I look back at the past with not such happy memories, but this is what gives me stability, right? Like I said, this could be a job which pays you very well, but where is the happiness here? And if you continue to use your head over heart, then that becomes a blockage, right? Because you have to balance your life out, Taurus. You can't only live with money. Money alone doesn't give you happiness. You need your love, you need your emotions also to be fed. So just being very practical maybe can become a blockage. So be a little mindful of that. How do people see my Taurus gang, Spirit, in September? 5 of Swords. Why do people see my Taurus is the 5 of Swords? Either they see you involved in some kind of a conflict where you are, or conflict of your own mind, where you're having to make a choice, make a decision about a partnership. Yes, look at you, choice, choice, choice. Choice, 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 and a conflict about what gives you happiness. Maybe you're making a choice between 2 partners, maybe you're making a choice between 2 partnerships, I don't know what, but there is some kind of conflict that people who know you very well or people close to you can see that there is a need to make a decision or a choice, and which is very, very conflicting to you. So one more, Spirit. How do people see Taurus in September? I think people who really love you, who really care for you, would be happy that you drop anything that doesn't make you happy, Taurus. People who really care for you, and the rest really don't matter. I'll be honest with you. I've been through that, been there, done that. Okay? When you cry alone. All these neighbors and all these far-fetched relatives, they mean nothing. So always do what makes you happy. So I think your close people, maybe your own inner self, your inner child, maybe your own family or your best friend feels it's time that Taurus needs to be happy. They're not happy. They need to, drop this burden that they seem to be carrying. So if you are in a job that you hate, it's all right. You can leave that job and a new one will come along. Or this could be in a partnership, relationship, anything. So let's see, what's Spirit's secret message to you, Taurus? 4 of Pentacles. Why is that a secret message, Spirit? Why is the Four of Pentacles a secret message for Taurus? One more. Oh. I wanted to say this some time back, but I didn't want to do it. Okay, anyway, this is Spirit is, forcing me to say it now, so I'm going to say it, Taurus. Taurus, Spirit is saying that if you've been feeling in any kind of lack, whether it's financial, whether it's love, whether it's relationship, whatever, if you've been holding back, this is only going to add more and more stress as the days go by. I think it's time to release. It's time to release. If you're worried about anything, don't be, because I see a lot of prosperity coming for you. You by yourself, independently, can actually take care of yourself, Spirit is saying. And before long, once you are in this happy space of it's like when you go on an airplane, they say, put the mask on your own face and then, share it with, help your elders or children around you. Because if you're not happy, you can't make anyone happy. So the first thing you have to do is drop anything that is stressful to you. Don't be in this lack mindset that if I drop this, I'm not going to get anything new. In fact, I see once you drop it, it's going to feel so good that you're going to eventually, after first loving yourself, you're going to actually reach your 10 of Cups. A place which is going to make you feel happy overall. Your emotional balance is going to come back. So I think September would be a good month to start taking action and get out of this stagnancy that you find yourself in, Taurus. If this resonated with you, I would really request you to put a like, because I know this is a heavy reading. I don't know how many of you will resonate with this, but if it did, do leave me a thumbs up so I know, how many of you it's helped. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon next time. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.